Hello everyone, I am Tariq Jamil from Tariq 360 YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to show desktop icon on the Windows 10. So let's start. At first right click on the desktop and select personalize setting, and then a menu will be open. Go to the left side and click on themes. Then go to the right side and click on the desktop icon setting. Now check the box computer recycle bin, and you can also check the control panel, users file and network if you want to show these items on the desktop. Now click on the apply and click on the OK. Let's see the desktop. Now this PC, control panel, recycle bin are shown on the desktop. You can easily show these items on the desktop by following these tricks. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any problems relating to this, you can comment on the below. Thanks everyone.